How to share full screen reels on Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look up for a method on how we can share our reels on full screen on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get begin. But before beginning, I want you to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So let's say you want to share this reel on your story. So when you share your reel on your story, you can't really see it on full screen. So in order to do that, you may just download another app called Repost for IG or Post and Stories. You can find this app on your App Store or your Google Play Store. Just search for this app and install it. After installing it, link your Instagram account with this, and here you may just download the Instagram reel, and you will be able to share your IG reels on full screen on your Instagram story. Just download this application from your device, from any of the just download this application onto your device, and you should be able to share your Instagram reels in full screen. So therefore, by following these methods, you can share your Instagram reel on your full screen. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.